Saturday, and at Intelligent Concrete, it is Sustainability Saturday, which is my favorite thing. And I'm here to announce that I'm officially Greenroads Level 1 certified, and I'm just going to talk a little bit more about what Greenroads is, why you should use it, why you should maybe get certified, and just details about that. So Greenroads is a sustainability rating system, a lot like LEED for transportation projects, and a project will get awarded points based on how far it goes above and beyond the general construction practices of a typical transportation project. There are over $12 billion of registered Greenroads projects in 10 states and 6 countries, and this includes streets, highways, bridges, rails, and trails. So there are tons of transportation projects that fall under Greenroads certifications, and all you really have to do is apply to get the process started. Now, I will say it is pretty intense. There are 7 different categories that you can get credit under, which include project requirements. So there are 12 basic project requirements that you have to follow, or else your project can't get rated under Greenroads. And I'll actually read those off just in case, just so you know. So you have to perform an ecological impact analysis, an energy and carbon footprint analysis, evaluate the feasibility of low impact stormwater management, a social impact analysis, community engagement, so you have to have a plan in place to engage the community and let them know what's going on, a life cycle cost analysis, a quality control plan, a pollution prevention plan, a waste management plan, noise and glare control plan, utility conflict analysis, and asset management. So those are the 12 basic requirements that you must have in order to continue on the Greenroads path. And then aside from that, the other 6 categories are environment and water. So basically it just promotes the best practices regarding land use, habitat, water, and other ecological resources. Construction activities, so promoting environmental, social, and economic best practices beyond minimum compliance, so beyond the local or state governed regulations or rules regarding the environment. Materials and design, so materials management to lower cost, extend service life, and reduce maintenance. And then utilities and controls, which promotes the best practices for improved operations, efficient systems, improved mobility, and enhanced user experience. Access and livability, which promotes the best practices for improved quality of life, including safety, human health, accessibility, social justice, and placemaking. And then lastly, there is a creativity and effort category, which you can get extra credit points if you go above and beyond what the points that you can get in a certain area. So you can get a total of 130 points, which includes the 15 creativity and effort points that you can get. And so it's almost impossible to get all of those points, but as long as you have those 12 project requirements, your project can be rated using Greenroads. And I'll tell you, there are different, just like LEED, there are different kind of award levels for Greenroads. So if you get 40 points, your project is bronze, 50 silver, 60 gold, and 80 evergreen. So like I said, it's pretty impossible or unlikely to get all of the points, but yeah, if you get 80, then you're the highest level on Greenroads. And you can find more online. There are a ton of resources. Greenroads publishes almost all of their information. So if you're curious, please go check it out. And I really think this should be something that more states and local governments should implement in their project making and project planning decisions. This really not only saves you time and money and promotes the or it benefits the community, but it's also so good for the environment, and it really does consider everything. There's some things that you can get points for that aren't too hard. Some things take a lot of work, but even if you just want to get your foot in the door, you could start with a project that is bronze, and all you have to do is get 40 points. So, yes, I definitely recommend Greenroads, and I am planning on taking my Greenroads Level 2 eventually, along with my LEED certification and my ASCE Envision certification. So I'm really excited to get the ball rolling. I'm excited to be officially Greenroads certified, and I hope you check it out. Go sustainability! And as always, go concrete, beat us.